Sans Soucis. I'm a singer-songwriter and producer, and today we're going to talk about building awareness between yourself and the environment around you. When I was thinking about how to create this creative songwriting course, I had to ask myself a few questions, and the most relevant was about my creative process. So I came up with these two criteria that I would say are the main criteria with which I compose my own music. The first one is being real, which means being honest. And the second one is being original, which ultimately means being yourself and being your unique self. Being yourself, I think, is something quite radical in a society where everyone wants you to fit in. But remember, you as an individual are unique, therefore you're original by nature. In order to be real and original, you need to be in the present moment, and that's where my creative process starts. But to understand what it means to be in the present moment, I would like to introduce you to the concept of awareness, which means being conscious. So conscious of what exactly? I would say you need to be conscious of yourself, so who you are, what you like and how you're feeling emotionally and physically, and conscious about the environment surrounding you. So where you live, who are the people around you, where you're going, anything that surrounds you. So let's try and break down the concept of awareness into some key questions that you might know already. Who, where, how, and what? So let's think about these questions in relationship to one of the songs that I'm going to play for you today, and it's called Human.
We all need that time to be a rebel and connect. Your arms can rest, come and sit down near me. Crowns of daisies are falling over me. I know we all need to be told we're worth it. So if the sandstorm is swarming over you, it's easy to forget how much you've worked. And if a handful of critical thoughts could erase how much you've done, you would still be human as the night before. You would still be human as the night before, but I love you. You would still be human as the night before. You would still be human as the night before, but I love you.
So this one was Human. So let's try and break it down. So the first lines of the songs are, we all need that time to be a rebel and connect. So who are we referring to in this song? I'm talking about we, so it could be a collective of people. Where am I referring to? Where is our point of reference? Somewhere in the space, I'm talking about sitting down somewhere with some people. Probably there's some people around me. What's happening? What's happening probably in this space, there's me and there's another person that I'm inviting to the space, and we're trying to do something together. Maybe we're trying to connect. And how is this happening? I'm asking them to sit next to me. And that's how I would break down a song to understand what's happening in the present moment. So for this first task, I'm going to give you a few guidelines to build awareness in your life. And I'd like you to keep a journal for 2-3 days this week and write your thoughts based on what I like to call observation mode. So to get in this observation mode, I would like you to find, before you write anything on your journal, a quiet space, set a timer to 2 minutes, and then enter this state of mind where you just relax and focus on your breathing. So when you find this comfortable place, you sit down and you start thinking about inhaling and exhaling. So relax every single part of your body. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Start screening your body. So if you feel tension in your eyebrows, try to relax them. If you feel tension in your neck, relax your neck, and then your shoulders, your arms, your fingers, and so on. And focus on breathing in and breathing out. Fill your tummy with air, then let the air go through your chest, and then let it out slowly. One more time, you breathe in from your nose, into your tummy, into your chest, and then you let it out slowly. And while you focus on breathing, I'm gonna count till 10. And at 10, you're gonna open your eyes slowly and you start your task. So breathe in. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now you slowly open your eyes. Start observing everything around you. And when you feel ready, pick up your pen and your journal and start writing. After this moment of stillness, I'd like you to write your thoughts in your journal. Remember, you're in observation mode, so look around you, pick anything, yourself, any subject, anything that's moving or that's still, and describe it in as much details as you can. Next week, we're going to look at how your observations can inform the creation of your music. Use your 5 senses, remember, but also use the 5 questions if you find yourself stuck. See you next time.